Today we're going to cook honey garlic chicken drumsticks with carrots, celery and broccoli. One pot dish, super easy, perfect for a winter dinner. So, what I'm going to do, I've got 12 chicken drumsticks in this bag. I'm going to keep the bag and I'm going to marinate them inside the bag. Put them back in the fridge for about 35 minutes. So, just make a little cut at the top. Take out the paper. And in the marinade, all I've done, I've got half a cup of honey, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar and half a chilli. Smells amazing. Right, so that goes on top of the chicken drumsticks. Give it a little shake. Spread it all around. And now that's going to go on a plate in my fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, the chicken's marinated. And then what we're going to do is simply empty them out to a large roasting tin. Spread them out a little bit. And we're going to add the carrots, the celery. I've got a little bit of chicken stock. And once those are cooked, we're going to add the broccoli and the rosemary later. So this will go in the oven for about 25 minutes. Give it a little shake. On about 180. Before it goes in, I'm going to add a little bit of sea salt and a tad more olive oil over the top. Okay. Here we go, the chicken's been in the oven for another 25 minutes. We added the broccoli and the rosemary. Look at that, doesn't that look incredible? And there we go, a quick, easy and healthy midweek meal.